Hello, my name is David. I'm working at I work for Yamagin Corporation, Los Angeles branch, and I'm shooting the a video of the HJ61 turbo automatic white one, Land Cruiser. Paint is really nice, and then no visible big dent. As you can see in this video, beautiful shape, clean, and no rust, and really clean shape, beautiful shape. Outside and middle. Oh, here's the little spot that I'm talking about, little rust. And you can see this one too. This is one of the major one. Backside, okay, inside. Backside, a little bit right here. I don't know if you can see. And then a little bit of paint crack right here, and then nothing right here. And this is the back. Bottom of the tailgate, clean, and rear of the floor. I mean, it's just a little bit, but it's clean. How about this side? Yeah, it's clean, no rust. And then this side, beautiful shape, no dent. The side seal, no rust damage. Side seal, bottom of the door. Those bottoms of those, sometimes it's rusty, but it's not. And same spot, a little rust right here, if you could see. And this one is kind of okay. I mean, just a surface rust maybe. And these are the fender arch, and it's really nice. And then it's got a little rust right here, but it's surface rust. And then here, I think it's got the bubbling up a little. So this is the rust that it previously fixed maybe. So it's like that. Oh. And oh, tires are new almost, but I think it's a snow tire. And it's lifted with the 4x4 engineering shackles. You can see 4x4 engineering. Anyway, oh, and then maybe aftermarket sway bar. See? It's the green painted. This green color might be Cusco. No, it's, yeah, I don't know. No, Cusco's blue. Anyway, the frame is good. No rust. Oh, it's right here. That one. And then maybe I should take the picture of the bottom. Towing hitch. And the bottom of the frame. Clean. Bottom of the frame, clean. And oh, the front frame, clean. It's got a Rancho, what is it, 9,000, I don't know, shock absorber. Oh, this is the frame VIN number here. Can't see. Anyway, inside of the fender well and the fender, everything is clean. Front, clean, and no rust. The front side shackle, bottom, it's a typical place, but it's got surface rust, but it's not rot. Okay, let me open it. Wow, it's heavy. Okay. All right. Engine compartment. Clean. No rust. Oh, it's got a little surface rust right here. Clean. Oh, same thing. It's got a little spot of rust. It's not major. And then engine running good. Let me start the engine. Oh, it's got a little paint blemishes right here. It's a chip. Okay, so it's got 231 kilometers, which is about 160 or so miles. Start, you have to wait a little. Glow plugs to glow. Aftermarket steering wheel, automatic transmission. Radio is missing. Anyway, starts right up. And runs beautiful. Working. No leak whatsoever. Oh, and some of the vinyl that it's tear or rips that I was describing, it was this. Just the whole top vinyl section can be recovered, so it's not a big deal. But the driver's side, the passenger side may be recovered, I don't know. And then passenger side, just a little. Oh, and then a water pump. It's a new water pump. It's the old one is right here. Anyway. Upholstery is clean, and really nice shape. And rear trunk area has no stain, beautiful shape. What is that? Oh. And in the US, usually the HJ60 comes with just a bench seat with no split, but this one is a luxury model, so it's got a split bench seat. You can fold one side. This is the little sponge wear and tear and sagging and then all that, but it's just a one part, and then I can put a little bit of extra sponge and then recover just this section if you want me to. Anyway, so this is the current shape of the Land Cruiser. Nice shape. It's a clean car, running good, and no rust. Oh, let me show you the bottom one more time. Clean, no rust. I mean, it's got a surface rust on top of the leaf spring, but that's about it. And let me show you the side frame rail. This is the side frame rail, that it's not rusty at all. It's clean. It's really beautiful shape. No rust. Clean. And good shape. A floorboard, no rust, no hole, nothing. So the only thing is rear fender well inside, and then just a little bit in the back, and no dent. It's clean outside. No rust on the bottom of the tailgate. No rust on the bottom of the upper tailgate. I mean the upper hatch. Really clean shape, as you can see. And then the top part, sometimes it's rusty, but this one is really clean. And then I don't think they never worked on. What is that? Oh, it's got a paint come off. Okay, so here's the current shape of the HJ61 turbo diesel Land Cruiser that is on eBay. Thank you.